So after we drilled out the air line,
nice tight fit.
we got a tight fit on the copper line going back into the air sleeve.
Plumber
solder. Heat everything up real well.
Copper to copper.
Solder lines back together. Copper to copper. Now the one thing you didn't see in the video is you gotta make sure and take out your sleeves, your O-rings in the middle. You don't want to melt your O-rings.
You drill that puppy out just barely to the size of the copper line, because you're going to spread the old copper line as you drill it through. And now we've got copper to copper brazing. It's like doing a water line.
And the last thing you gotta do is you gotta make sure that your air passages are clear.
And you can see the smoke. Watch the smoke.
Yep, watch the smoke come out the middle.
Because that thing's hot.
Poof, poof. Oh, too much. Don't do it anymore.
All right. We'll